We are going to be making a couple of cocktails today. So what we're doing is be making infused vodka cocktails. So I have to infuse the vodka with tea. We decided we're gonna make 3 tea cocktails. Got the vodka here, got the very best. I have my other stuff down here. Measuring spoons. The teas I'm going to use are this sort of tropical oolong tea that Matt had, Deep by Bigelow's, green tea bags, and some Twigs Earl Grey. I'm going to break the bottle up. It's a 750 milliliter bottle. So I'm going to break it up into 3 portions, which is 250 milliliters a piece. So I got a measuring cup with marks on it. And a measuring. Pour that into there. I'm just going to try to match that one. That looks good. If you're doing a full bottle, that you do 6 tablespoons. So I'm going to do 2 tablespoons in each. Teaspoons, not tablespoons. 6 teaspoons of each. 2 teaspoons of each. Or 6 in one. Cover. And you let that steep for 18 hours. Once you do it, if you make a full bottle, it will last 2 months is what I heard. See you in 18 hours.
Many unbearable hours later.
Yeah, all right. So we're gonna make some cocktails as requested. And remember, if you want something, just request it. Put it in the comments. We have so few comments right now that we pretty much do anything that's requested, within reason. So I'm making cocktails I've never made before, and I'm using methods that I've never done before. I made some infused vodka. I did a green tea vodka. I did Earl Grey tea vodka. A tropical oolong tea. It had like pineapple and mango and all the tropics. Then I was like, well, we're making cocktails that we've never made before. We might need simple syrup. So I thought, what a great idea it would be, John, to make a simple syrup of the tea that you're going to use. So I just made a cup of tea for the Earl Grey and the green and the oolong. Just so when we do add a simple syrup to it, it's reinforcing the flavors of the tea. Smart, right? So we're going to make 3 cocktails. What do you want to start off with, Matt?
Green.
Green tea?
Yeah.
Green tea, we decided we're going to do a ginger green tea spritz. And with these things. I'm going to use the top of as sort of, that's how much alcohol we're putting in every drink. I'm pretty sure that's 2 ounces. I don't know. Should I throw some simple syrup in this spritz?
Yeah.
All right. Not usually in a spritz, but.
We're not playing by any rules here.
We didn't bring a spoon down either. I'm going to have to stir with a knife. Maybe I'll put some lime in it too. We'll do some lime. I'm just going to do 1/4 ounce.
And that's, what was that?
That's the green tea simple syrup. 1/4 ounce of the Canton ginger liqueur. Ice cubes. Oh, we're going to put some lime in it. When you're juicing a lime, it's good to like kind of roll it in your hands. It breaks up the cells of the juice inside. It makes it more easy to juice. Oh, the juice that came out? That's the juice. Ice cubes. Crazy ice cubes, you know? And then you top it off with some club soda. If you want to get fancy, you could do champagne as well. Give it a stir. Garnish, we're going to use candied ginger on this one. There you go. All right, grab it, drink it. You know, that's pretty good.
It's good.
It's good. Got a scale, because that last one I don't trust was 2 ounces. What are we making next, Matt?
Earl Grey. London Fog.
London Fog. The hell? It's my beeper. My beeper's going off. Okay, we're making tea cocktails. Wouldn't that be fun? A London Fog cocktail? We're going to make these as martinis. I'm going to measure out 2 ounces of vodka. Ooh.
Tell you when.
Hey! That's right. Now we're going to do 1/2 ounce of this. Just a little bit of sweetness. This is Earl Grey simple syrup. 1 ounce. I'm going to throw that into here. We do 2 dashes of vanilla. Okay, beep. An unmeasurable amount. Ice cubes into the shaker. How much milk? 2 ounces of milk? No. What I'm doing here is I'm shaking this to froth it because we're not steaming it like you would with like a normal London Fog. Just so you know, a London Fog is a Earl Grey latte. I'm using this to diffuse the pour. So maybe it will layer a little bit. That didn't work.
No. Okay.
Just trying to go fancy. Oh.
Tea leaves.
You want to taste it? That's good.
It's almost coffee-like, I was going to say.
Yeah, like a tea would be. So for our third drink, Matt wanted to do a tropical tea gimlet. And I said, Matt, you're bonkers. For the garnish on this one, we're going to use a orange peel. You don't really need to do this.
No, you do. You do need to do it.
Spend as much time as possible on the garnish. In this, we're going to use fresh lime juice. We got that lime from before. I'm going to squeeze it into the glass.
Came like a southern gospel. We're going to squeeze it. Every time.
That bartender is drunk. So a gimlet is traditionally lime, a little bit of simple syrup, and gin or vodka.
Oh.
It's about 1/4 ounce. Do another 1/4 ounce of simple syrup. We got an orange. References to. And we did about maybe 1/2 ounce of orange juice.
Okay.
Chicka chicka boom.
Vodka.
Vodka. Bang.
This one's for Freddy77, or 7 Freddy7. Or... That one just fell right into the glass.
Right in there. Tropical oolong tea. What do we call it? Gimlet.
Oh,
That's very good.
I think that's the best one.
Well, anyways, that was fun.
Yeah,
This was Making Cocktails with John and Matt. Part 2, I guess.
part 2.
If you like this, subscribe. If you liked other videos but didn't like this one, still subscribe. Comment. Oh, yeah, comment. Leave comments of things you want to do. Like this was a comment, so we did it. Tell your friends. Please share, because we're trying to grow our audience. We'll see you next time.
Jackson and Trade.
We are
Oh.
a hot mess. We are Jacks of No Trade.